It's the application for setting up the React environment before creating a React environment. So what are the preliminary installations should be happen? We have to take care. One is the NPX, Node Package Manager, and another is the Node.js. So be installed before creating a React application. The first steps. The second steps, we'll open a Visual Studio Code and open the folder called training. I created already the folder name called training. Under the training folder, I'm going to create my applications. The command create hyphen React app is used to create the React application. We are planning to create a React application named is my React app. This is my name of the applications. So how to create? To create a React application, issue the below command npx space create hyphen react hyphen app space my react app or whatever the name you like. You can give game or you can give bank, student, employee, whichever related to the application you can create it. The create React app will set up everything need to run a React application. So what is the everything? It is creating the node module, public SRC folders. Under the folders, there are so many files will be there. It's like a JS files, that is JavaScript files and CSS files for configuring. Because no React is the framework. Okay, just we are instead of creating a HTML, JavaScript, Bootstrap again and again. So we are going to use with the React environment to develop a application very fast and easy. Okay, once this is executed completed, it will ask to go to the two commands. One is the CD, go to this application, and you have to issue the command called npm start. Once you done this, okay, it will show the browser like this. It will show the browser like this. Okay, here type other, if your browser is not automatically open, then open your browser, any of the browser, type the localhost colon 3000. So it will give the React applications windows. Okay, now I will go to the my training Visual Studio. This is my Visual Studio. I already opened my folder called training. Okay, now I'll open this. Now create a terminal, like new terminal. Okay, then I will choose command. Okay, command prompt. You have to choose the command prompt. Move this, move this, move this. I'll choose from beginning. Terminal, new terminal. So default will give the PowerShell. Then you have to change to command prompt. Now you can put npx create react. See the command here. Whenever you have doubts, you have to see the command npx react app. Okay, react app. My react app. This is my name of the application. Just put enter. You have to create in the command prompt only, not in the PowerShell. That is very important. Okay. So this is installation starting. Installing packages. This might take a couple of minutes. Installing React. These are packages. React hyphen DOM. Okay. React hyphen scripts and CRE hyphen templates, etc. It will create nearly 276 packages. Okay. Just we'll wait. If I see in the your left hand side of your training folder, under training folder, this is my name of the application is created here. Once it's created, it will automatically create a package.json file. This will give your name of the file, version, and a private true. These are informations, and it will add whatever the packages once is created, it will add the other things. Let us wait. Let us wait for some time to create, we allow them to create the packages. It is depends on your internet speed also there and based on your system facilities. So in between, what will happen after this? It will create a node underscore module. See, this is created node underscore module. What are the related packages? Everything will be there here. All the packages will be there. Okay. So for applications, all the packages will be there. So we can use these packages. This is nothing but your modules. These are all of modules. So after that, it will create a folder called public, and it will create a folder called SRC. The public folder will maintain the index.html. That is the very important file for this React application. Two files are important. The public folder index.html and the SRC folder index.js. These two files are very important to execute our applications. In the SRC folder, we have another files called app.js and app.css. Whatever you want to customizations, we can do our style sheet in the app.cs, CSS and app.js files. We can write your all your what's called functional components, everything we can write. See this, I got this. So these are the default icon and the PNG files, manifest JSON files, all will be there, and a robust.txs will be there. Okay. Now, if I go for SRC folders, okay, this is index.js and css.js will be there. Index.css, index.js, index.css, app.cs, app.js, and app.css, and app.test.js. These files also will be there. This is setup text.js and a report web vitals.js. These files also will be there. So these are the files are created, but important is the index.js. And if you want to customization or you can do style sheet, you can use for index.js and CSS.js. So already some of the customization, that is the style sheet is already created, and index.css also it is some style sheets for body and the code will be there. Now what we'll do index.html in this the div command is very important command. This is the only is the root for the all your applications to execute. Okay. Now this will see in later. Now once you executed, how many packages are created? See this. If you see this, it is doing that 269 packages, and these are the moderate and high, and fix we can fix, and it created a git commit, npm start and npm run build, npm test, npm run, eject, all will be there. Now we have to put cd. Now we have to go to our application cd my react app. After when that you can just put npm start. That's it. If npm start, it is starting the applications. It is starting the application because our version already we have seen in our package.json. So just allow. If you see package.json, all the files, everything will be there here. Okay, we are seeing our JSON files. See this. You can see our JSON files. Now, if I see our local host, if I see our local host, okay, so this is the module is giving. So it will give the, if I click this, we can go to the React.land Reactor. Okay, so where it is coming from? Where it is coming from? If I go to my folders, index.js, this is my app display. Okay, so this is the root of the all elements will be there. Okay, if I see my index.html, let's say all the values. Okay, so this is the ID is the taken care by the index.html like React. So main important is React, React DOM, and this is very important our packages. And React DOM dot create root. This is the one. It is taken from the document dot get element by ID root. This is the render for the app. Where is this app? This is from app from dot app. So go to the app.js. So this is the one it is displaying here. Learn React. See this picture again. See this picture again. It is showing that learn React. It is giving the learn React. Suppose I want to give a different name here. I want to display hello world. You can just put hello world. I want, sir, I want to put in some H1. I want to put in a H1. Okay. The hello world. H1 tag I have introduced here. Okay. Just to save this file, it is automatically refreshing. If I go there and see hello world is displaying here. Fine. So this is the setup for creating your React environment. That I already told, I missed this point also. This is local host. So if it is browser is not working, just you can put one more browser you can add. You can put local host colon 3000. Just enter. Yes, I got the window. Hope you understand this, how to create a React environment, setting up the React environment, first application, and printing the hello world. If anything you have doubt, please put it, all your doubts in my comment box. So I will look at it and I'll clarify whatever your doubts. Okay, thank you very much.